PG is all about getting up bed, coming from work and going off to sleep. But भाई यहाँ तो पूरा lifestyle ही upgrade हो रहा है. Hi, I'm Asmita Das and today I'm going to show you best PG in Bangalore which you are going to love and I can assure you that. So come let's check out the PG where you are going to stay. Also if you like this video, WhatsApp us in this giving number, you can directly call us and we will reach out to you. Let's check. Today I am going to show you PG which is available in Brookfield, which is near to Whitefield, Marathalli, Mahadevpura, and also metro connectivity is also available over here. And let's see what I got for you, something special. And also I have a surprise for you, wait till the end to get that surprise. When it comes to PG, I know one of the biggest concern is food. यहाँ का खाना कैसे होगा, proper food मिलेगा कि नहीं, and whether you're going to just get one type of food. No guys, so here is a dining space where you're going to have your meal. We have 3-time meals available, breakfast, lunch and dinner, and we serve North Indian, South Indian as well as continental food according to your preferences. You can see the dining hall is really spacious. Also the quality is like very premium over here. It's completely new PG. You also have all the cooking items available over here for you to self cook. You have filtered water available over here. Also you can see the dining space is really spacious. We also provide in-house cook over here. That means in-house food over here. We don't order it from online and give it to you because I know your health is very important and is also very important to us. So we serve you tasty, healthy as well as fresh food only for you. So if you like this video and if you are looking like a home-like food PG, this is a place where you are going to stay. Jaldi se WhatsApp us or call us and book your slot. एक PG मतलब ये नहीं होता है that you are getting just one bed to sleep. For me, PG is like getting a comfortable bed, a place to study, and most important, a place which feels like home. So let's see how Ghar Pe makes this experience perfect, which is much different from your hostel nightmare. Come, let's check it out. So this is a room where you're going to stay. You can use this as your private room also, or you can share with your friend also, according to your preferences. So you're getting two bed over here. I know how important is it to have a good mattress where you can get your good sleep. So this mattress is really soft and you won't be having any problem because this is not hard at all. You're also getting two pillows over here. Pillows are super soft. Two separate study tables are available. You can work over here with your laptop. The charging point is also over there. You have also two separate wardrobes for you to keep your clothes and all your belongings inside. You also have a locker over here. You can keep all your expensive or jewelry and money bag or anything items over here stored. You have a attached mirror over here. Also there is a TV available for you where you can watch your favorite show Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. Also there is a space over here where you can keep your things and also use it at a decor thing. Moving forward with the bathroom over here, you have well maintained clean bathroom. You can see the bathroom is really big and is really spacious. It's like hotel like bathroom. You're getting showered and all the qualities over here are very premium. You have a mirror over here, you have a basin over here, you have everything that you need, a hand shower and everything that you need in bathroom. Now the best part of this room is this balcony. You can see you're getting a proper view from here. You can see the road over there. This is just nearby, just walking distance. So the balcony is the best part of this room. If you're looking for a PG in Bangalore, whether it's in Whitefield, Koramangala, Marathalli, BTM, HSR, anywhere, you just need to DM us. You just need to WhatsApp us, you just need to call us, whatever you want, we will reach out to you and according to your preferences, we will find you the best flat. Ghar Pe give you home-like feeling rooms and flat that is available only for you Whether you're a working professional, whether you're a student, they have rooms available for everyone. Whether you're a girl, boy, co-living, whatever you're looking for, they have PG and flat available for each and every one of you according to your preferences. So you also have laundry services and also housekeeping over here, biometric system and 24/7 security. You're also getting 3-time meals over here, that is breakfast, lunch and dinner. So your food is also sorted in this PG. If you're looking for a best PG in Bangalore, just WhatsApp us in this given number. You can just directly call us and we will give you all the details that you need according to your preferences. Okay, wait. I have got another surprise for you. So should I tell you or should I just show you? Come, let me show you. I bet you will be surprised after seeing this view because I was also surprised. Ta-da! No, this is not any 5-star hotel, though it looks like 5-star hotel, I know. But believe me, this is PG. Can you believe it? Yes, guys, this is PG. You also need some entertainment in your life, right? That's why we have got everything sorted for you. Here you have foosball, table tennis, and also there is a sitting space over here where you can sit and gossip with your friends and also have some snacks if you want. You can see all these are well decorated. It looks so aesthetic and so good. It's perfect to click your pictures also. Also there is a sofa over there. There's a huge sofa where all of your friends can sit and gossip and have fun also. So I hope you like this video और अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी, don't forget to WhatsApp us in this given number and we will reach out to you. No matter whether you're a student or working professional, if you're looking for PG, for girls, boys, co-living, we got everything covered for you. Also locations like Whitefield, Koramangala, HSR Layout, BTA, Marathalli, everywhere we have 100+ PGs available in Bangalore and we can give you PG according to your preferences. You just need to WhatsApp us or call us directly and we will provide you all the necessary details that you need. Come and live with us. We are waiting for you. Thank you.